Good morning, class 2 biology students. Beta, today we are going to discuss the topic from the chapter number 7, that is from evolution, and the topic is Miller's experiment and the paleontological evidences behind the origin of life theories. So the Miller experiment, as I have taught you and told you earlier, that Miller experiment is to be confined for the Oparin and Haldane theory. It is experiment which is given by the Miller, which is an experimental proof of the Oparin and Haldane theory, and that theory says that the organic molecules on the earth will originate from the inorganic substances which is already present on the earth, and by the bombardment or by the electrical spark they combine together and the organic molecules will form. So look at the experiment of the Miller. That is in 1953, Miller and his co-worker has completed an experiment which is an evidently proof of Oparin and Haldane theory. So he take the spark chamber and mix the gases which are present on the primitive earth, that is water vapors, methane, ammonia and hydrogen gases into that chamber. And in chamber the spark is to be originated. And the chamber, this spark chamber, it is connected with the boiling water. So for completely and continuously for 18 days the water is to be boiled and the spark is to be present in this experiment, which makes these gases to be get sparked and boiled. So after 18 days he will getting his results, that is the organic compounds such as different kind of amino acids, simple sugars, even the short chain of fatty acids will present into this containing chamber. So look at this, the diagram of the Miller's experiment. He take the boiling water into first chamber, vacuum is there, and in another chamber there is called as the spark chamber, and the spark is produced by using tungsten. He uses the gases in this chamber, hydrogen, methane, ammonia and the water vapors, and hot and cold water vacuum is also there for inlet and outlet of the sources. And just see into the last phase of the diagram, that is the water containing the organic compounds. This is the result phase of his compound which is getting after 18 days for completing and continuous running of this experiment. And this will prove, yes, from the inorganic material the organic compounds, that is called as the amino acids, will produce. So this is Miller's experiment. Now coming towards the paleontological evidences. So these are the evidences for the origin of the life. Okay. So what is paleontology, beta, first of all? So paleontology is the study of the fossils, and fossils are the dead organic remains of plants and animals which are found on the earth, and they are buried under millions of years ago and they converted into the fossils. And when we are going to for the study of the fossils, this is called as paleontology, and the evidences which are getting from these fossils which have the driven for, yes, these are the evidences that evolution is leading from millions of years ago until ahead right now. These are called as the paleontological evidences. So the main points covering under this, first of all, paleontological evidences, geological time scale. बेटा paleontological evidences में हमें geological time scale के बारे में पता चलता है, that is different eras में हमने different time गैप को बांटा हुआ है, जैसे पेलियोजोइक एरा या सीनोजोइक एरा. तो इन एराज में डिफरेंट एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स पाए जाते थे. तो जब इनके फॉसिल्स हमें मिले और हमने स्टडी किया तो देखा कि सिमिलैरिटीज आ रही हैं और कुछ एक चेंजेस आए जो कि लीड करते हैं, हाँ जी, एवोल्यूशन हुआ एक एरा से दूसरे एरा में. सेकेंड, एक्सटिंक्ट एनिमल्स. हमें कई एक्सटिंक्ट एनिमल्स के भी फॉसिल्स मिले जिससे पता चलता है कि एवोल्यूशन हुआ. मिसिंग लिंक, आर्कियोपैट्रिक्स का हमें एक मिला है फॉसिल जिससे पता चलता है कि इट इज़ अ लिंक बिटवीन द रेप्टाइल्स एंड द बर्ड्स एंड द फाइलोजेनी. हॉर्स का कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया एक स्ट्रक्चर हमने पाया है जो कि फॉसिल्स को यूज़ करके किया है, तो पता चलता है कि एवोल्यूशन हुआ है वाकई में. तो ये थी हमारे आज के टॉपिक्स बेटा, मिलर एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड पेलियोंटोलॉजिकल एविडेंसेस. अगर क्वेश्चन आपके पास आता है तो आप इसको इसी तरह से अटेम्प्ट करेंगे. आप इसका पूरा स्क्रीनशॉट लेंगे, ब्यूटीफुल नोट्स बनाएंगे और कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके आप पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच बच्चे।